I was about to go shopping and I left a little too late. This is what we've got going on here. It's hailing for the second time this summer, which is unusual for this part of Arizona anyway. But it's like a torrential downpour. We got some thunder and lightning as well. And I don't know. I've never seen this part of the neighborhood look like it's starting to flood. There's a lower part of the neighborhood that this one section on a street always does, but this is pretty bad. Wow. All right, I'm gonna head back inside. This is a little scarier than I'm wanting to be out in. Mother Nature is nothing to mess with. Oh my God, the timing of that is perfect. Bye. Be safe.